Hello everyone, I would be sharing with you in this tutorial very quick and easy navy blue silver eyeshadow look. Picking the navy blue eyeshadow from Faces Canada palette, I'm outlining my outer V. Get this wave shape right here. Very important in this eye look that you get the wave and then begin filling. Don't fail the wave shape. If you fail wave shape, you're going to ruin your eye makeup look. Begin filling whole of your eye. Do not cross your crease line. After this, I'm using liquid eyeshadow from Color Gel. Begin applying liquid eyeshadow on top of navy blue eyeshadow. Let that outline, blue navy blue outline be there. Don't cover whole of your navy blue eyeshadow here. Leave the blue outline and begin applying. 60% should be covered using liquid eyeshadow. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. This is a very quick eye look. It is looking so beautiful. Next, I would be creating a plain liner for eyelash application. Pull a plain line. After this, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line after you're done coating. Next would be mascara application. Intensify your eyelashes well, upper and lower lashes. And it's done. This is the final look.